Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a mango ice cream. So to start off, we'll see what are the ingredients that we need to make a nice and soft and creamy ice cream. So to make a good ice cream, we will need a heavy cream. These are some of the creams that we get in India. All of this are just low fat creams. We only get low fat cream in India right now. We don't get any heavy cream, but with these low fat creams I'll show you how to make a good ice cream. I usually use this non-dairy whipping cream. You don't get this in any supermarket, you get it only in any bakery related store. I usually use 1 cup of this non-dairy cream. Along with this I use the red pack of Amul. With this you can make a very tasty ice cream, but if you don't get the non-dairy, it's okay. You can still make a very good ice cream with the Amul red packet. You get this in almost all the supermarkets now. It's the whipping cream from Amul, and this is what I prefer. If you don't find the red one, you can also use the Amul blue packet, which is the fresh cream. More than the blue, I prefer the red, and today we will see how to make a good ice cream with this Amul red packet. So here I have taken about 3 ripe mangoes. I have cut it into small pieces, and we'll puree this in a blender. For a good mango ice cream, you need at least 2.5 cups of mango puree. So make sure you get at least 2.5 to 3 cups of mango puree. Now in this bowl I have 500 ml of whipping cream. To this I have added a teaspoon of vanilla and beat this mixture for 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes slightly thicker in consistency and soft peaks are formed. Then we will add our mango puree. I measured this mango puree and I had about 2.5 cups of mango puree. You need to add at least 2.5 to 3 cups of mango. Only then the mango flavor will be prominent, otherwise you will not get the mango flavor, it will just be a normal ice cream. So once we've blended the mango puree along with our cream, we will add the sweetener. Today I am adding condensed milk. You can also add powdered sugar, but I find adding condensed milk a lot easier. Today I am adding 3/4 cup of condensed milk. This is a 400 gram condensed milk tin. Beat that in. You can adjust the sweetness according to your preference and according to the sweetness of your fruit also. If your mango is very ripe, you can reduce the sweetener added, and if your mango is not very sweet, then you will have to increase the sweetener. Taste the ice cream as you go along and increase or decrease the condensed milk as you wish. But one thing that you have to remember is that when you keep the ice cream in the freezer, the sweetness will reduce a little bit. So adjust the condensed milk and add a little bit extra so that it's the perfect taste when you take it out of the freezer. At this stage you can also add about 3/4 to 1 cup of finely chopped mangoes. That will also give a nice texture to your ice cream. Now add this to freezer safe airtight boxes. Any box will do, just make sure it's airtight, and leave it in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. I usually leave it in the freezer overnight. This is the next day. The ice cream is well set and it's perfectly done. It's so soft and creamy. It's very delicious and so tasty to eat. Within 10 minutes you can make such an easy and tasty ice cream. This is much better than the mango ice cream that you get in the store, because we've added so much of mango. It tastes really good and it's so rich in flavor. So do try it out this summer. I'm sure your family will love it. Kids will definitely love this. And if you do try it out, let me know. Until next time, bye bye.